Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reboot Redmi Note 14S. Alright, so the process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So to reboot this device, we need to open up the power menu first. To do it, we need to tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Alright, just like it. And now we have two options. We can reboot or power off. We need to drag this white ball using our finger. Now place it into the reboot. Now release your finger, and within a few seconds your phone will be turned off and now turn on automatically. And once it's done, you can simply unlock your device and start using it. Also, I'll tell you that performing a simple reboot is good for health of your phone and its performance, because during that process you simply delete and close the processes that are running in the background, and also thanks to that you can free some RAM. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.